So you're creating these TikToks and you've noticed that other TikToks have text in them. And not only do they have text, they have colored text, and they change the duration of the text. Well, we're gonna show you today exactly how you can execute that, how you can add text, how you can edit it, how you can change the style of the text, how you can change the font, how you can change the duration of when the text pops up or goes out of the video. And then we're also gonna show you how you can use stickers, just like you're accustomed to on Instagram and Facebook stories. They have the exact same features on TikTok. Stay tuned. So you're on the editing page. You've already shot your video. You've seen this video that we shot in previous tutorials. So I'm gonna click on the little AA here. It says text, which is going to pop this up. So at this point now I can type in whatever I want. So I'm just going to play around here and say, so this was a video about jump cuts. So I'm going to type in jump cuts. Now you can choose what font by just scrolling amongst those options. You can also change the style. So right now it's just plain, I guess, font. But now I can do kind of has a border around it. I can do this to where it's got the color behind it, and then I can do kind of a transparent one. Those are your 4 options. So in this particular case, I like this one. It seems to stand out a little bit more. Now I can choose a color. So in this case, I'm just gonna go red, and I'm going to click done. So now I've added jump cuts. So then you can just put your finger on it to move it all over the page. And it's important to point out that when you put text on your TikToks, if you're ever watching TikTok, you'll know that there are various icons right here that could block it. There's icons down here that could block it. And there's also the For You and the following up top. So always make sure that your text is pretty much in this range, right about there, okay? Now, you've added the text, and say you want to do a variety of text cuts, right? So this is how you would do that. So I'm going to go ahead and add 3 different words. I'm just going to use the same thing for the sake of teaching you here. So there you go. I've got my 4 things. So now I want to adjust when they pop up, because for whatever reason in the video I'm describing what's going on or whatever. So I'm going to take the first one and I'm going to click on it. So you see what I did there. All I did was tap on it and it pops up edit or duration. If you edit, it takes you back to this page where you can choose the style, the font, the color, etc. Now if I just choose set duration, now it's going to pop up this little navigation tool at the bottom where I can adjust when the text pops out and when it pops in. So in this particular case, let's just say I'm going to leave it. I want it to start. Actually, I'm going to let it pop in about a second in. So you've got to. I can't move the white thing is just the where the video is. So I got to make sure you grab the red. So I'm going to move it in about there. Then I'm going to have it drop out. Let's just say about. We'll go ahead and I'm going to have them come on at different times. So I'm going to pop it right about there. This can get a little bit tricky. It can be a little bit sensitive. Sometimes you have to play with it, but you'll get the hang of it when you practice. So now the red jump cuts is going to be from 2.9 seconds to 10.7. So watch when I click, now it goes away and it's going to pop up right there, and then it's going to go off. Now I'm going to do the same thing with this guy. Okay, I'm going to set duration. Now you notice the red one's not there because it's not. Hasn't popped up yet. I'm not at 2.9 seconds. So as I scroll this, see how it just came up on the screen there? So now I'm gonna move this one to whenever that red one pops off. See how it popped off there? Popped off, and now the white one's gonna jump in. Now I'm gonna run it to about there, and then I'm gonna click check. So now watch what happens. Come on. So my blue one, because I haven't set the duration, is still gonna play throughout the entire video. Jump cuts 1 is there. It's gonna pop off here in a second. And jump cut, and the white jump cuts is going to come up next. Boom. See how that works? Now we're going to do the same thing with number 3. So I'm going to scroll all the way until the white one jumps off right about there. And then I'm just going to leave that one all the way to the end, except I'm going to move it here so it doesn't cover my beautiful face. Just like this. So you ready? So watch this. Boom. And you can do so many different things with your videos, with text and with durations, and you can have a variety of text come up. You can point to them. There's so many different things you can do. You see these all the time. This is how you create that effect and this feature in your videos. So now that you've got that, let's go ahead and add a sticker. So you figured out the text, you know how to adjust the duration, now let's add a sticker. So I just click the sticker button and you'll notice this looks very similar to Facebook or Instagram stories. So literally I can just choose, just like the other platforms, what's at the top is what's trending. So using that typically helps the virality or the searchability of your videos. Or you can choose anything that they have here, or I can even search and just say, you know, I'm gonna put in video because I want some sort of a video camera. So I'm gonna grab this guy right here and I'm gonna put him right about there. I'm gonna blow it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the duration as well of the video camera. So I'm gonna leave that there and then go there, and then boom. So you can do the same effects, the same duration you can with your stickers as you do with your text. And now you can make your videos more than just the video, more than just the talking head. You can make them way more engaging, way more entertaining. And now you've just spiced up your videos pretty dramatically. Did you like that tip? Are you interested in learning more about integrating video into your business or increasing your brand visibility on social media? Go to bizvideoschool.com and we will teach you all of that and more.